Hello everyone. Today we're going to be unveiling a brand new product that we're super excited about, one that has been a long time in the making, the new Accutron series. Today's model will be featuring the Accutron DNA in rose gold with a 45mm case and 316 stainless steel composition, domed sapphire crystal with skeleton front and back. Has a beautiful deployant closure with double pushers, and this particular watch is a water resistancy feature of 30 meters. Comes with full 2-year warranty. And notice the turbine and the tuning fork, which is a status symbol for Accutron. This watch is priced at $3,300, and we anticipate having the product available for sometime mid-October. You can find us on jrdunn.com or also visit us here in Lighthouse Point, Florida, where we anticipate having the line in full preview.